Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. It is June 1st. What a crazy weekend, huh? I hope everyone's safe. Um, just terrible what's going on everywhere, but hopefully we could just have this as a distraction and stay safe. If you have any questions, or if you just have something to say, you could always email me. Miss Deering's always available. So, yeah, it was a pretty bad weekend. But just stay safe and be with the people you care about, and things will get better. All right? In the meantime, we're going to do pumpkin. Yes, normally around this time in the greenhouse, we would be planting our pumpkin seeds. So when we come back at the next school year, we have a bunch of pumpkins that we use for Halloween. So can't do that now, but I'm going to show you how the pumpkin seeds look. And then for the next 2 weeks or so, we can watch it grow. So let's get this thing started. You should have your coloring sheet, you should have your journal sheet, and you should have the back side of your journal sheet, which is the pots. Today I'm just going to use colored pencils, coloring journal sheets. Today's colors, we need orange, we need black, we need some light green, dark green, and there you are, brown. So those are the colors we need. We need 5. Brown, light green, dark green, black, orange. Most of you guys should know by now how a pumpkin looks. And there's a couple that are different colors, but we're going to stick with the primarily popular one, which is orange. So I'm going to color my pumpkin orange, and then up here where it was connected to the stem of the plant, it's going to be like a greenish brown, and then our leaves and our vines are going to be a light green, dark green. So let's start with the pumpkin itself. Let's see if I can do this one hand. So I'm going to get my orange. I'm going to color the outer parts first, near the line, because that'll help me to stay in the lines. So we're going to use a lot of orange today. Our pumpkins are orange, and our pot is orange. Now if you're using paints, you could do different shades of orange, which will make it look real nice. But with colored pencils, I really don't have that option. This top part here is orange as well. Try to color in some of those white spots. Once again, I'm not using a completely flat surface. My table's got little bumps in it, so that's why you see most of these white lines that I'm trying to go over, which is not working out too well, but it gets the job done. All right. Up here, I'm going to do a dark green. I'm going to do brown on top of it. Okay. Now, for my vines, stem, leaves, I'm going to do light green, then I'm going to do a dark green on top of it. Paper keeps moving. There we go. Now, since I'm using light green as my base, it doesn't have to be completely covered. There could be a little white. Because once I go over it with my dark green, I'm hoping that it'll cover everything, cover all those spots up. Oop, forgot this one little vine over here. These vines on the pumpkin plant will help it, almost looks like they crawl. So it'll help keep the plant safe from blowing away and keep it set. So now I'm going to do my dark green for my leaves. It should look something like that. Alright, so we finished our coloring sheet. Now onto our journal. Today's date, June 1st, 2020. We're talking about pumpkin. Today's day 1. What do you think a pumpkin is? A fruit, vegetable, or herb? It's a vegetable. Today's temperature is 75 degrees. Last class was NA. What was warmer? Today our last class? NA. By how much? NA. Today's weather, you're going to have a mix of sun and clouds. So we do sunny, cloudy. The height of my plant is 0 inches. I have 0 flowers. I have 0 pumpkin. It is very dry. So am I going to water it? Yes, I am. So you copy it from there where I write it on here. And for our journal sheets, day one's always the quickest. So if you want to copy it from here, you can pause the video now. Yeah, if you pause the video, welcome back to our coloring sheets, our journal sheets. Now on to the coloring sheets. But before we do that, let's plant our seed. So here's our pot. We got our dirt and this guy over here. If you ever made jack-o'-lanterns with your pumpkins on Halloween, you pull these things out. These are the seeds. So all those seeds come from one pumpkin. So we have our one seed. I'm going to put it in the middle of our pot. Cover it up. So we're going to use orange, red, and brown for our pot. And then for our dirt, we're going to use brown and black. So I'm going to do my pot first. Actually, I didn't mention red earlier. Just going to use orange and brown, sorry. Stick with what we said originally. If you want to put red in there, you go ahead. But all we really need is brown and orange. So you should have something like this. Now I'm going to do my dirt. I'm going to do brown with black on top. It should look like this. So day one of pumpkin. We did our pumpkin coloring sheet, we did our journal sheet, and we did the back side of our coloring sheets. So good luck on your work. Stay safe out there. Hopefully everybody could be nice to each other. But if you do go out, make sure you wear your mask. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.